Good morning, everybody. We're live on YouTube and now X. Yay! All right. Still just over here trying to set up because I switched computers last night. So that maybe we don't have so much issue with the computer freezing. How's your week?
Okay.
Okay.
All right, let me share my screen. Afternoon, guys.
Good morning.
Morning. All right.
Waiting for the opening range breakout to sell this morning. Apparently, Trump is set to speak this morning or something. Love that. I think
Yeah.
my blood pressure just went up on that news. All right. Let's see. I'm gonna open some tabs right quick and see what's going on.
Okay. Yeah. Here we go. All right, share my screen now. Oh, wrong screen.
If you're not here for this morning jazz, what are you doing? Well, nice to see you again. All right, let's see what we got on our little news folder.
Yeah. So, I mean, everything's been kicking off. I will, in terms of like the latest. Wait, where was I last on stream? I was on stream on Monday, wasn't I? So
Yeah.
we've been having a little bit of back and forth between US and Iran. It's gone a bit more regional now. There have been strikes across the UAE. So an airport was hit yesterday in Kuwait. Bahrain was hit. These are like states within the UAE. So it's escalating. Israel and Lebanon's all kicking off. So it's just like this, the wars are spreading. But markets did have a bit of a reaction. We had a bit of dollar strength and a bit of spook pullback in, NASDAQ, so on and so forth. But they're not fully spooked yet, for whatever reason, still not fully spooked. And yesterday, the House tried to stop Trump, basically. The House of Representatives, which is largely controlled by Republicans, bear in mind that's on Trump's side. So these guys voted 215 to 208 to stop Trump's, this action on Iran. But it means nothing because Trump, as Trump said, he dismissed this. He's the merits of resolution, saying it's unconstitutional attempt to restrict his presidential power. So either way, he's going to pursue. He'll carry on doing what he's doing and trying to fight, obviously, Iran. So, yeah, I think right now with markets, let me look at NAS, what you got going on right now here with NAS, see what we've got. We've got a bit of a pullback, but like structures are still intact. Structures still being held. People, I don't know why markets are so delusional. It's strange. And I think at some point it's going to really catch up. I don't know how long I have to say it for, but I've been saying it since we started these streams that, this war isn't going anywhere. If anything, it's going to get worse. But markets are still holding up, which I find strange. But then Bitcoin's dying. Look at Bitcoin.
So I know. Well, I think a lot of the Bitcoin thing was that, like Michael Saylor owns 800 million Bitcoin and he sold, 36 of them? And people started freaking out about it. Like, oh no, like, like, no. It's literally nothing.
That's what it was.
But it's totally fine. I feel like we're going to tap into an area that we reject off of soon. I also feel like stocks are probably on their way down soon, but I also heard that we are injecting a couple, like $3 to something billion into the market today and then tomorrow.
Yeah. Basically, I think markets, personally, I just think there's going to be a rude awakening soon because the markets are pricing in rate hikes. We got this new guy, I did like a video on it yesterday, but Kevin Walsh, so this new governor, for anyone who doesn't know, he's taken over Powell. And this guy, I was doing some analysis the last few days, and this guy, when you look at his previous commentary, he's actually quite hawkish. So what does that mean? He's very much in favor of where like rates are right now. They're higher. They've been higher for a while. If anything, he could look at potentially more rate hikes, maybe, because he's focused on inflation, and inflation in the United States, when you look, CPI, let's bring it up, annualized is 3.8%. You know, and then we've had like oil prices still rising. I mean, we're pulling back a little bit today, but oil prices have been rising, you know, and they're still up 50% from here, from the war. So my take on it is that if we have tomorrow, we have a bullish non-farm payrolls, bullish wages, people still getting paid decent wage, which is inflationary. I think that's going to tee up this guy on the 17th of June to be a bit hawkish and let people down, because people think he's going to come in and be Trump's pub hit. But I don't think he will be. So let's see. But yeah, with that being said, like, it's still freaking consolidation with dollar related. I enjoyed some shorts early in the week with euro. You know, as I think I explained before, this shorts here. Wait, was I on stream Tuesday? No, I wasn't. So I posted this in the community, in the Telegram, and I took shorts here for euro. So, but yeah, look at the dollar. It's just consolidation. It's annoying. Look, you see this range? You still can't fill this gap, this massive gap. It's big. So yeah, a lot of choppy price action. Yeah. Abby, have you started trading Forex yet? You said you were going to get involved.
I did actually.
You did, yeah?
I'll show you my little accounts, okay? I did bust myself yesterday on one of the crypto accounts because
you trade crypto as well, yeah? Gosh.
So yeah, I was trying out the new pro accounts, and there's I'm trying to sign in. Give me 1 second. There's an option for crypto and there's an option for Forex. And so I got in there, and let me see if I can find it real quick. So copy this and put this link. All right.
Oh.
Do you have the StreamYard open somewhere? I'm hearing double the sound.
What do you mean? What do you mean?
I'm just hearing the sound twice. What's up, guys? We got 48 of you in here.
Wow. Ooh. Yeah, no, I don't have it open.
Little X stream, and we're already double the number. Okay, wow. Cool.
Nice.
Well, in that case, celebratory drink.
What you got going on there?
A pink.
Red Bull. I wanted to go and get one before the stream, but I didn't have enough time.
Here, you can pop off stream for a second. Go get one.
Nice, all right,
no, okay. So where are we at? So let me share my screen real quick. Do you remember when I changed all my colors to be like you? And I did that, and it was pretty. All right, yeah. So those are my colors. But the accounts, okay, I heard that there's like a 2% thing. So you have a 100K account, you can only make 2% per day. I took a trade on Bitcoin, and really when it was just dumping, I like threw a short on yesterday. I don't even remember. Oh yeah, down there. I did that. I got in there, added in there, got out there. So I made my little 2K thing, and then there's another account on here which was I don't really know how this works yet. If you could tell me, let me know. I don't get it, because I heard it's 2%. I didn't know that. I traded. I made the 8K. I was like, okay, I passed. But I heard it was gonna like wipe off the balances, except for the 2K that I made that day, and it's still sitting at 108.
Oh.
If you know anything about that.
Yeah, might have to ask Angel. Angel's the man.
He told me it would like wipe off, but same thing. Like, I don't think I was supposed to make that much, but I was like, whatever, like it'll wipe off.
Oh yeah,
So,
it's 2%. Yeah, I see. Yeah, I see your point. Yeah.
yeah, so like I don't know if that does something like on the back end where it's like, oh, you got to start over, or if it's like just wipes it away. But pretty much, I have 2 accounts that are Forex. I made 8,000 and then 4,500. And then on the crypto one, I just tried to, keep it at 2,000. So that one's at 2,000.
So wait, what did you trade in Forex?
Forex, I traded Dow for the 8K one, and then I want to say NASDAQ for the 4K one.
Oh, you didn't actually trade Forex though. You still trade your indices. I was waiting for you to
know what
like
these are, man.
I thought you'd been trading GBP CAD here. I was like, come on.
What is GBTPTK? What is that?
That's
like,
pound versus the Canadian dollar.
I suppose it's as easy as just opening one of these, and if the price is here, knowing we're in a bullish structure and trading it to the top, right? I get that.
Yeah.
That's an option. I could, like, even this trade, obviously this wouldn't be a great entry, but even getting in right here and taking it to like a new high, I could trade that. But I don't know the assets. I don't know how they move. I don't know what causes them to fluctuate. So if Trump's talking, is it going to dump? If there's a tweet, so that's why I'm just like, I'm so much more comfortable. Also, I don't know what that stands for. NZD.
Oh, that's US. New Zealand dollar. New Zealand dollar.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah.
I don't even know where New Zealand is on a map. So
hand yourself a challenge. Like, obviously continue doing what you do, but hand yourself a challenge to get learning. It's a bit of diversification for you as well, for your portfolios.
And that's what I'm doing. I'm diversified. I have, like I said, the past 3 days, I've made 8K, 4K, and 2K. I'd call that diversification.
You're a money machine.
We have a whole lot going on in the chat. Guys, 77 of you are here. Thank you so much for being here. If you could please like the stream, we would love that. Yeah, let's see. Yeah, Rashida said I'm a Forex master. You heard that? What's up? Awesome, guys. So glad that everybody's here and in the chat. Good morning, David. Good morning. Oh, that's you. Hello, Angel. Angel wants to know if he can get a free account.
Angel, you're a joker. Someone's asking me about if I'm playing the E8 poker tournament. I might do. I do like, is it Texas Hold'em poker? Is it Texas Hold'em? Do we know? If it's Texas
I don't know, but I'm going to destroy all of you if I'm allowed to enter.
Why?
Because I love poker.
Are you good though?
Yes.
My thought is though, like, if you're playing offline, like real poker, you could obviously, I think there's a different type of strategy to it, whereas offline, where no one can see your face and so on and so forth. I don't know.
Stare at you for this?
Was that sorry?
People have to like look at you for that?
Well, masters of poker, they read people's like emotions, like their facial expressions and, their mannerisms.
Micro expressions.
Yeah. So like when it's online, you can't, how do you tell if someone's bluffing and so on and so forth? Because it's a psychology to it. It's an art at the end of the day, like trading. So I just wonder if it's maybe easier to win, more luck involved when it comes to online.
I mean, you have to base it solely off of your probabilities and strategy and hope that you're making the right play, because you don't have the opportunity to look at somebody to know if they're bluffing or not,
True.
You pretty much got to solely play off of your hand.
This is true.
Is E8 CFD and crypto only? No, we actually have futures. We kind of just have it all, and now we have poker. So I'd say like the coolest firm that there is in town. I'd love to try E8 and Canada. You know what, David? I know you're going to get there. One day you're going to be able to afford everything that you want to buy in this crypto and prop space. Yeah, sometimes we do giveaways. So, if you stay tuned in, there's not a ton of viewers right now. We're new to streaming, so everybody, I see some of our guests that are in every day, like winning. Maybe that could be your opportunity if you stay tuned in. I bet you can win one. Okay, yes, we have. Okay, Saran said there is poker on E8 today, so hello, sign me up. How do I sign up? You're welcome. You're welcome.
Yeah. I can't see it. There isn't anything for me today, right now in the markets. Nas looks like it's going to poo itself today. Really grinding down a key area right now. Structure is incredibly bearish. It looks like we're going to have quite a deep pullback. It looks like for Nas. How I'm viewing it here at the moment is obviously we've had these high highs, these high lows, and now we've got this sort of rolling over behavior where we're sort of topping out here. This sort of head and shoulders sort of top out. This is a key. This, like for me, is the very significant near-term area of liquidity which we're trying to grind down. If this gives way, then it's just going to be a fast drop all the way back down to, this sort of 29,700 area looks possible. But it's about time. Profit taking needs to come into play. Yeah, look at this. Nice structure to the downside. I mean, if we weren't down over 1%, I mean, I would be interested in some shorts. But we could, sorry, not 1%. We're down 7/10. But this could still fall. This could still roll over. If this gives way, it's going to drop. I might look at some shorts. I'll keep an eye. We've got a bit of a flag going on here. It's probably going to take a dump before it pulls back again. But really nice bearish structure. Look, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows. Really clean right now. Really nice. What do you think, Abby?
Look, he said, I'm watching gold, waiting for it to choose a direction.
Oh, bro, we're going to be waiting a while.
More people love those.
Bro, gold is like ticking me off right now. Like 1 minute, for me, I had it marked up. This 4,500 areas is not giving up without a fight. Like, look at it. It's so significant. This whole region. We're speaking about it since the beginning of these streams. Like, it's just not giving up right now. But I think at some point it is going to drop, but it's just so much chop. Look at it. Look at it. Awful price action. Awful. But one thing that I would say is that if we go, like, there isn't anything significant enough to force gold to break out to the upside. So if we end up coming to the upper part of the range, just be drawn into this area of liquidity up here at 45, 70, 80, I will look at some shorts because it's just super respectful of this and there's not enough momentum to force this to break above this. So I'll watch for a potential sweep of these stops up here and I'll look at some shorts personally, and I'll just run it down conservatively down to the lower part of the range, which I'd probably put I mean, it's so choppy, but probably, yeah, maybe down back at 44.70 to be conservative, this region here. So yeah, watching to sell that rally, sell that pullback, basically. I don't know. We're just moving in the range. It's awful. But yeah. So maybe
I was trying to look at this thing yesterday. A girl was on stream and she was saying something about this 30-second opening range and how she marks out the first 30 seconds, like the high and the low.
30 seconds?
Yeah. And that she watches those levels and how it respects those levels throughout the trading day. I was like, oh. So I was trying to mark it out, but apparently you just need some crazy version of TradingView because it won't let me do seconds.
Yeah. Is it what was she marking it up on, gold or stocks?
Nasdaq.
Oh, Nas. Okay.
Yeah.
Fair.
Yeah.
Fair play. Yeah, I mean, that's wild. That's wild. Like, for me, that's wild. I mean, trading on seconds is just insane. But obviously, if you've got something that works for you, fine. But personally, I would challenge her if I was on that stream to really understand those seconds, because I've never heard of a manual trader trading seconds successfully, consistently for a long time. Never heard of that.
Yeah, no, they don't. She doesn't trade on the 30-second chart. She trades on higher time frames. She just sets up the range of the first 30 seconds.
Gotcha. Sorry, I missed that.
Yeah, okay. And apparently it kind of just plays around on that level.
Yeah, fair.
I wanted to check it out and see the validity of it.
Someone's asking about JV. That's a good question. I don't know, but I love JV, and he is powerful. I can find out. I can find out about JV. I'll find out now. I'll find out, see what the crack is. Yeah, but Abby, I don't know if you've met JV. He's based in Miami. He's a performance coach, great on mindset. Wait, is Abby gone? Oh, Abby's gone. It's just me. Okay, hey guys. Looks like the host has left the building. She's done a runner. Maybe she's having some technical difficulties. But yeah, JV's great. He's like, at the end of the day, these markets as well, outside of fundamentals, technicals, it's largely psychology. You know, if you don't have psychology, you're not going to make it, you know, in trading. You're not. For me personally, I had to go through, you know, like everyone goes through these stages where you think, oh, let me try all these different trading strategies. Let me try and trade fundamentals and technicals, you know. And for me personally, like, the key was having that knowledge, fine. But then it was being able to apply it consistently. And I had to work on myself. I know it's cliche, you may hear that, but it's freaking true. I was like such an irrational person, so irrational in just everyday life. I wasn't reasonable enough. I wasn't calm and collective enough. And then I had to change that. I had to mature literally as a person, become more emotionally mature. And that helped. How did I do that? I started tracking, started journaling, not just trading journaling, but about me, how I felt. How do I feel on this day? How could I improve better in terms of this situation? You know, so refine yourself, work on yourself. I think that massively helps your trading, without a shadow of doubt. Yep. Abby, what happened? You're back.
I was just trying to trigger you. Just kidding. I had to grab my phone just in case, you know, anybody from the, you know, the company is like trying to reach out. I have to correspond with Angel while we're going through this, because we're making a lot of changes on the stream. As you can see, we've added X today.
Wow.
And it's something that I wanted to do like from the jump, but we're just now starting to like just tweak little things. So we're going to change our background and we're going to add Instagram. So hopefully, as long as StreamYard lets us stream in all three, we're going to stream in all three. And that'll help traffic kind of, you know, go to the Discord and the YouTube and all of those different things.
Yeah.
Can you please reduce the background music a bit? Yeah, sure. I can actually.
Thanks.
Yeah. Feel free, like, if it's ever too loud.
Actually bursting my eardrums. I'm joking. Loki, my Niger brother. Euro is it's the same with gold, man. But I'm finding Euro more clean at the moment in terms of moving within these liquidity areas. Like when you look at GU, it's scary, really ugly price action. But this is cleaner in these ranges. So I said it before, come up to this 1650 area, watch for the sweep. Every single time we're coming up and facing obviously rejections, we're sweeping above this key area of liquidity. Look, this was a nice big sweep here on the Friday, came back, retested. I had a trade here before, enjoyed that downside there. Anyway, let's move this. So same sort of thing with gold. I'm going to watch up here for those rejections. You remember, these are the sort of candles that we're looking out for. These rejection candles, bearish engulfings, you know, topping out behavior. You see them time and time again, like up here. So this is what I'm going to be watching for some potential shorts. Like this is purely moving off technicals. This is not like being macro driven. It's just waiting for a catalyst to break us out. I think the catalyst won't come until probably tomorrow of non-farm payrolls, to be honest. But if we come up to this zone, I will look at some shorts ahead of NFP personally and just run it down to this next zone. You know, it's just moving within zones, guys. We're not going to get a breakout until we get something significant. NFP, here's my take on it as well, just so you know. NFP tomorrow, say for example, we get bullish NFP data, and it's not just about the NFP, it's about this wages number. If the number's bullish, expect the potential for obviously us to fall, obviously euro dollar to come to the downside. We may briefly sweep, you see this lower part of this range? We may briefly sweep it, so we might come down here, but then it's very possible that we suck back above, you know, come Monday, Tuesday, and then we're back moving in this ugly range again. Same as if the number's bearish. Right, euro comes out, pushes to the upside for a little while, but then it just sweeps and then comes back into play into this range because we're waiting. Markets are so overshadowed by what's happening right now geopolitically.
So sorry to interrupt. I just set a limit order. I don't think I'm going to get tagged in, but if I do, I just want to let you guys know that I'm going to be in a trade, and I'm looking for this.
Shorts Naz.
Yeah. If I get tagged in, that's what I'm looking for. If I do not, what I'm looking for is this to actually create a lower low and then come retest that range and then to go lower. And if that happens, then I'll actually enter the short here and put my stop above and look for lower lows into there. Sorry, go ahead.
No, I agree. That looks nice. That looks nice. You've got a clean structure on your side there. So I'd consider that quite high probability as well. I think that's got some real welly to drop. If that drops, it's going to drop. Should fall like a bit of a stone, to be honest.
What did you say? Well-nilly?
Some welly, some welly.
Oh, welly.
You say that in America? In the States?
Oh, what is that? I need this lingo. I just want to borrow it. I want to walk around America and borrow your lingo, and then people be like what? And then I'm be like, oh, like the way that the English talk about it just means like da 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 da. And they're gonna be like, but you're not English. And I'll be like, well, my bestie's English.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah. So
you're my bestie.
Right? I'm your British bestie.
Oh,
yeah.
Thank you so much, guys. He doesn't even like me.
Who?
You.
No, I actually find you incredibly irritating. I was saying it to Joel yesterday. I was joking, I mean. By the way, so just so you know, right, I was just looking because obviously I say it, but I didn't really know the true meaning behind it. So if you're giving something welly, it comes from the first Duke of Wellington in the United Kingdom. And it's basically, the term is around a boot. So a high boot covering the knee, in front and cut away behind. So yeah, the term welly is used in the sense of force, power, frequently in a phrase to give it some welly.
Welly.
Anyway, so that's that.
Remind me real quick. I just sold, so then I need a buy stop ? Okay.
I said that.
Beep bop boppity bop, and then I need a.
Is that Dennis? Is that Mr. Dennis?
Limit.
Yeah, he steps in. Sorry to interrupt. Like it's breaking news. We're about to make some dollars, some bank.
Dollars. Okay. Let me think. How much room should I give this?
We full porting.
Technically, like your best trade would be like up here, but I kind of feel like I set risk settings, and I'm wondering if that would blow me out. I didn't really need to put on a full 5 contracts there, did I? All right, whatever. Yeah. Anything else, NASDAQ?
Nice.
I mean, technically we broke like a high a day, but we broke to the downside. I think I just got to trust the trade. We broke to the downside, came back up, rejected New York. Really, I should see this trade a little low, but why would it be that easy? Let's see.
Yeah. That is a possible.
We're still on the downtrend, aren't we? Oh, bearish.
Do you know what?
Yeah, we're chilling. We'll just see it through. What? Hi. Sorry, I had like a whole conversation with myself.
No.
Poker in 3 minutes. How do I play poker? Dennis, can I sign up for this? How do I get in on that? Anybody? Help. I want to play poker.
Well, you need to get in a Discord. You're in a Discord.
Oh, yeah. I am.
I might take these longs, these NASDAQ longs. I think I'm going to make you my liquidity, Abby, today. Let me.
Hey.
I really don't think this is going to give up this ground, this region where we're at.
Yeah, maybe. I mean, I could also like put my stop to break even, and then you can't have my liquidity.
Wait, is my futures account connected? Let's have a look. 1 sec.
A low-hanging fruit would be to take at this point right here.
Mm. Oh no, I'm not connected. All right, let me get this logged in.
Yeah, maybe that.
I might take these longs.
Why you gotta do me like that? We'll both make sense. Here,
I'm
gonna move it there. Like that's like $400, $500.
4 hour.
Do I do it? Yeah, I think I'm gonna drop it. And you're scaring me. Why do you want to take longs?
Because I just the region that I've got marked up, I just don't think it's going to give way. I think we're just sweeping some stops here at this. I've got this extreme higher low area. There's this whole block marked up. I just don't think it's going to give way. I don't know. Just watching. I'm watching on the 15-minute at the moment. It looks like we could try and sort of double bottom here. We'll see. If we get a bullish 15-minute on this next candle, I'm going to take the longs.
Okay.
I'll take the longs. But let's see.
I'm green either way. So if it wants to tap me there, that's chill.
I'll look at this.
But yeah, let's see what you're looking at. Show me what you're looking at.
Yeah. So look, is my screen? Yeah. So look, for me, this area, this block here is quite substantial because we've just been used before. This was resistance, right? We struggled to break it down, then we broke it down, and then now this is obviously liquidity. This is being used as demand, and this entire region here is like a higher low area. So if this gives way, it's going to really require something, and I just don't think we've got that enough of the reason to just dump this and then be drawn to the next area of liquidity, which for me would be all the way down here. So I just feel like this is going right now. When I look at it, there's a possibility that we're sort of just tapping, testing the waters, giving some fake outs, and we're going to try and double bottom and then go higher. As I said, I'm looking in this 15-minute candle. If it goes bullish, I'm going to take the longs in anticipation that this is bottoming out and then just run it to the up part of this range here, just where we're ranging here. So,
Valid.
But only if this has to be a bullish candle for me on this current 15, and I'll take it.
Okay. Game announcements. Let's go. Hello. Join now. Join. How do I join? That's just a sticker. I can't click it.
What?
Poker now.
Someone's in gold cells. I'm in a gold cell. Can you check? Let's have a look. I did give my view on gold at the moment. Oh, okay. Interesting. Let's see. So gold right now. Interesting. We potentially got a bit of a sweep of, let me go on a 4 hour first. I want to see where we're at. Okay. That's actually, do you know what? It doesn't look too bad. I was talking about the price getting drawn into this area up here where I'd personally be interested in shorts. Right now, obviously, okay, let's look at the structure. High, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, potential lower high here. Potential. On the hourly, okay, we've got signs of topping out. Nice little reversal hangman candle, validated by that bearish closure below. Looking good. 30-minute, yeah, sort of rolling over behavior. We've swept the Asian range.
Sorry, I hit my TP. Thank you.
Oh, did you?
Yes.
Oh,
I'm up 35 on the trade. All right, go ahead. Sorry.
Wait, did we just drop?
Well, I took the low-hanging fruit at the opening range low. So,
okay.
We'll probably come down and create a lower low, but it's fine. You are scaring me.
No, you're fine. Don't let me scare you. Yeah, do you know what? Someone's talking about gold shorts. It's actually looking potentially quite nice. I like how we swept the high here. Got these reversal candles. 4 hours happening. Does look pretty tasty, to be fair. So, who is it? Medjicani. Did I say your name right? Medjicani. It looks. The odds are, I'd say, they're sort of in your favor right now. It does look good. Does look good for a drop. Where are you targeting?
Talking to me.
No, this the guy that dropped that's in gold shorts now. Yeah.
Players. Yeah. Structures. Is this already happening?
Yeah.
Are people already playing this game or?
Oh, they're playing. Yeah, Bushido's saying he's out. First hand.
What?
Did you full port?
Wait, guys, how do you even do this? Your stack. What does it mean, your stack? Your stack. Do I even have any money in this? Must be between 1 and 1 million. How about a 10,000?
So what's
I'm
happening?
really confused.
What?
Well, we created that little lower low. Almost. We're about to tag it. That would have been like a $1,200 trade.
Oh, sorry.
No. It's fine.
Yeah.
You know, it's really probably most of the time better to just take those low-hanging fruits because this market, ever since like January, has just been wicked. As you guys saw, I was in there and took there, but that was kind of the original idea. So I hope that some of you guys capitalized on that trade. But yeah, so that was the idea. Cool. Now, how's this 15-minute looking for you, buddy?
Buddy, not looking good. That's right. Look, I mean, the odds were against me anyway, but it could still happen. Where are we?
This will be my next one. If I see something like, you know, it wants to come beep, bop, bop, and then retest that level, I'm getting in short again.
I mean, yeah, it's under pressure right now.
What is that? Sorry. Under pressure.
It's
oh,
head and shoulders up there.
Got 175 viewers if you are on the stream.
175?
Drop a like. Yeah.
God, I'm starting to get nervous. I'm gonna do a runner in a minute.
What?
I said I'm starting to get nervous. I'm gonna do a runner in a minute. We're gonna run away.
Oh, okay.
Too many people. I'm joking.
Okay, so I want to sell actually, I think 2. So I already made like $600. I don't need to go risk more, so I'm gonna actually reduce my size and do a little sell limit here. If it retests this range, opening range low, I'll give it room above the New York, just in case it wants to come back up there and retest that as well. And then I'm targeting like the technical low-hanging fruit would be to target these lows, but you could target slightly below. Let's see what we got to the left. To the left.
Oh.
Everything you own in the box to the left. Sorry. Oh, you know what? I don't know how I feel about that. Because we just, let me clear my screen. All right, so we tapped into nothing. Where's the next area? Next area is right there. So maybe I'll front run this a bit. We came down here. Oh yeah. Okay. That's my next play. Beauty. Grace. Lovely. Hey guys, if you're here from X, which I think a lot of you are, feel free to follow me because apparently I'm gonna start posting on X.
Really?
Yeah. Yeah, Angel's like,
what are you gonna post?
The whole trading community is on X. And I was like, well, I already like don't even like to post on, oh, wait, what happened? My opening range low thing, right? I don't know. I just post. Wait,
right, I'm
confused.
I'm gonna look at these gold shorts in a moment. just waiting for this closure. 15 minutes, 5 minutes.
I don't know how I got tagged there instead of there because I put it there. I'm confused. Whatever. It's only 2 contracts. It may do whatever it pleases. So your safest trade in a situation like this is to actually put your stop above the previous structure. Sometimes it likes to sweep the stops here. So we like to put it up here. So like if I sold, then it would be a buy stop. Up there would be like your safest area, but maybe give it a little room. Anyways, what are you saying about you're doing some gold?
No, I was watching these gold shorts. They actually look quite interesting. But someone was just asking about 44.58. We're definitely topping out here above the Asian range. We've got that sort of equal highs there. Bam, bam. Support being taken out. It looks pretty nice. If I where is it? 15 minute. Yeah, if we get this bearish closure in the next few minutes, I'll take these shorts as well. I'll take these shorts and run them down to this, be drawn into next area of liquidity. I'll go just above. I'll place stops just above the equal highs, and I'll come down. Being conservative, I will come down to around the Asian range low. So I'll see how this closure, this 15-minute candle goes, and then I'll take those shorts, stops just above, because it looks valid as well for this lower high formation that we're observing as well. Sweep of the Asian range highs, running out of steam. So let's see. I'll wait for this closure, this validation, this current bearish 15-minute. But yeah, that's all for me at the moment. Just give it a couple of minutes and I'm going to jump in.
Yeah, be patient on that. The shorts look good from the VWAPs. I'm on
What's
image
that?
as well.
On gold?
No, on NASDAQ. Let me not sing along with the trumpet. Oh wait, I totally forgot. I put a.
So you know, for you, when you're trading forex, you can only trade on trade.
Wait,
is that right?
I need your help. I need your help. I don't know what I did here.
What's happened?
What did I do here? I have 2 orders going. I thought I put a stop, like a TP.
Oh, you're hedging.
One order up like 3 something. Okay, here's what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna close them both.
Oh, you're all right. Wait, hold up. What was happening there? You're hedging.
That's not
buy
good.
Or sell order.
Okay, so how does that work? Okay, this is why I don't like forex. What did you do? I just did I got into a trade. Is it hedging if I was already $2,000 in profit?
I think you're fine. You're fine. I just wondered why you had 2 positions open in the first place.
Because I bought here, right? I bought here, and I tried to put a sell order to close.
Oh, that got triggered.
There.
Yeah, but you bought. So you bought. You executed a position. You bought down there, right? And then you place in a sell order. So you did a market order. So that instantly gets executed, and then you try to place a sell limit.
Because look, I'll show you. So look, 0.1.
Your sell limit got triggered. So your pending order up there got triggered. Look. You can have a buy position live. That's not going to cancel that out. It's a different position.
Look. Okay. So I just sold, right? Right?
Yep.
I went and I put pending.
A pending order.
And then I put buy limit. So that it closed it out. Like I put a buy limit here. Is that not how it works?
No. So that's a completely separate order. So when the price obviously goes and tags that's not going to take out your other position.
I see. Okay,
yeah.
So that's not good.
Not going to work like that. Yeah.
Interesting. So then, so here's the other option. So if you have a sell, you right click. Oh wait, no, where to go? Yeah.
I'm taking those gold shorts now. It's annoying. You can't. Fuck.
So if I put TP here, how do I execute the TP?
I'm in those gold shorts, just as a heads up. But I can't. Sorry, Abby. Go on. Show me.
Maybe you just press the sell button. Like if I press the sell
where
button.
are you at? So you're trying to close this now? Yeah. So what's happening? So you got 2 sells.
No, now I'm in 2 orders again. Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
With this. Forex is absolute. All right.
Oh my god! I don't think we can. I need to ask. Can we? My Forex account. I can't get it connected on TradingView, can I? With E8.
I have no idea.
Yeah, I don't think I can.
I have literally no idea.
Yeah. Anyway, I took those shorts. I like the shorts. So I'm running those on my accounts here. But
Yo, back up off that mic, buddy.
oh, sorry, is that a bit too close?
ASMR. That's really funny.
Oh my gosh! Yeah. Back up off
We're
that
like-
mic, buddy.
Yeah, I think I'm just gonna take those shorts.
Oh god, that killed me. That was a good one. Have you got any guests on today?
Angel. Angel's my guest today.
Oh, is he?
Yeah.
Man,
You'd
like
be-
Angel and that.
Dennis, if you're in here, feel free to schedule people. Thank you.
Let's quickly check the Dixie a minute. All right, let's just having a look. Okay, cool. Right.
You're just having a look.
Yeah, let's have a look at Dixie. Don't you dare. You're gonna fall.
Who do what?
But yes, what's Angel talking about today? What's he coming on to do?
Just existing with me.
Man, like Angel on that. My G. I haven't spoken to Angel in a while. I'm looking forward to hearing him. Maybe I'll stay. No, I can't stay too long. But I would like to
I was gonna say.
have a little chat with him. Stay. Yeah, so do you know if you can connect the... Oh, no, you can't. Of course you can't.
Did you look it up?
Yeah, no, because the account that I've set up here is MetaTrader, not TradingView. You can't do it, unfortunately.
I see.
What do you think of TradeLocker, by the way? Because in the States, you can't use MetaTrader. You have to use TradeLocker. Isn't that right?
It's not bothering me. I've seen worse.
Yeah.
No, it's not bad. I'm obviously still trying to figure it out. Like you just saw, they should make it really simple.
Yeah.
Because that right there, if that caused my account to breach from hedging, that was unnecessary. You know what I mean?
Oh yeah, that would have been upsetting. That'd
More
been very
than
upsetting.
like that would be just pure not cool.
No, that would not have been cool. Fanware. Invest in, just have a little look.
Are we just gonna fiddle around this area, or are we gonna get some little momentum to the downside? You know what I'm saying? Who's in the short with me?
Zing.
Short with him.
Yeah, who's it? Is anyone else in gold shorts? Well,
Oh,
actually,
yeah.
I know there is a guy in gold shorts. Hedging with the same account is actually allowed. Yeah, that's what I know that. Yeah, Abby was freaking out about it, but yeah, you can. You can hedge.
Hedging within the same account is allowed, guys. Okay, good to know, Angel. Yeah, so Angel, you're gonna have to show me how to use this because I thought I was just placing like a buy limit, and when I came back to it, I was $3,000 in profit on my trade and 1,000 down. So what I wanted to do was like only be $2,000 in profit and then close it out. I don't know what that was all about. So, anyways, Dennis, hi. If you
Where is he?
can, he's in the chat. He said,
Oh.
"Yo, I'm here. My friend, if you could please
Zenis.
send out our calendar link because we need to book out like 2-3 weeks in advance so we can get graphics going and post on social medias and stuff."
Zenis.
Yeah.
Dennis.
YouTube.com. E8.
Crazy.
E8 markets. Beauty. Oh, yeah. Oh, I'm sorry.
Come on, gold. She's falling. She's falling. No, she's not really doing anything. She's being very, very annoying. She's nice. Let her do her thing.
So in the chat, well, I guess you can't in the chat if you can't, but I was going to ask, if you're in the chat right now, but you're tuning in from X, are you able to comment? Can you see our share screen? Can you see, you know, Ken and I just hanging out here, floating heads?
Floating heads.
Visuals on the social media and the X side of things.
NPCs, couple of NPCs is hanging out here. You know, life, I think life is just one big simulation. It's so strange. Like sometimes I just think, right, that, you know, like when you're talking to your friends or like your family, you're messaging them. Obviously, you don't see your friends and your family every single day. And like sometimes you'll just WhatsApp them, message them, whatever. But like, it's just like a simulation. It's not real. Like, unless you're actually with that person, like you just sending a message and then they're just going on with their own life. You're doing your life. But like, it's not real. Like you just talking to your mom or your dad or whatever, you're messaging them. It's not real. Like it's real if you're there. Do you know what I mean? It's just like, it's weird. Everyone's all in their own little capsules.
Drugs.
You know what I mean? No, I sit up late at night. I hustle at night. I'm grinding at night. And then, you know, my mind doesn't switch off for a long time when I get into bed. And I just sit and think about all these things and just think like life is just crazy. It's not really real, you know, unless you're doing real things. You know, like here, like now, this is just like a massive simulation. It's really strange.
I thought the marijuana was illegal over in your country.
Oh my God.
You know, I actually once worked for like a company in the cannabis industry, and I went into England and they like asked my occupation. And I was like, oh, I work in the cannabis industry. And they were like, step to the side, ma'am. And I was like, what? And they were like, oh, like just we need to go discuss this with whoever. And this older gentleman next to me, he goes, you shouldn't have said that. And I was like, said what? And I'm like 20 years old or 22 years old. And he goes, they have a very high no tolerance for cannabis in this country. And you're not going to get in. And I was like, what? Yeah. Mind you, I'm traveling Europe by myself. I have friends that I'm meeting in Europe. And I was like, okay, like, what do I do? So I use all my brain knowledge in that moment. When she comes back, she goes, can you elaborate like what you do? And I was like, oh, well, just so you understand, I have no affiliation with the actual product. I just educate people on the benefits of tetrahydrocannabinol, which is a non-psychoactive. And I just start, you know, firing off all this different stuff. And they were like, they stamped my passport. They let me in, but they stamped my passport basically stating if I were to go in and out of the country more than one time in 6 months, that they would like arrest me. And I was like, that's so crazy. Or maybe like not arrest me, but like kick me out or something. And I was like, that's so crazy. Because at the time I was just working with like CBD, which is, I was like sourcing CBD isolate for like medicinal companies. And yeah, it was weird. Anyways, I think my trade is invalidated. Or about me. So if you took the NASDAQ shorts with me, I feel like maybe this is one of those days where it's just going to range. You know, 80% of the times we just consolidate in like one little sad area. How's your gold shorts?
It's not doing much at the moment. Just, yeah, it's not doing much. It's going to take time. She'll roll over and fall. Yeah. Just patience. So, yeah, man. Guys, quick one. I haven't even thought about what I'm going to say, but I'm going to talk for the sake of talking. We had unemployment claims, by the way, in the United States. This is like, for anyone that doesn't know, this is weekly. So it's not really like a massive deal, but it'll become a massive deal if you see like these numbers start to average higher, right? So now like this is slightly out of the average range. You know, we've been ranging around 200K. So now the average is creeping up. If this number starts to creep up, that's when you can start taking consideration. Maybe we're going to start seeing a worsening in the NFP number or worsening in the labor market figures. Not to say that it's going to throw this figure off this week, this reading, but just things to think about moving forwards when you start conducting a little bit of macro analysis. Yeah, tomorrow is very important. As I said, let's keep an eye on this. You know, your NFP number, fine, but this is very important, okay? Because this contributes to inflation. You know, inflation. Wages, I was looking before, like wages in America are like so substantially higher than wages in the UK. I don't know why, but there is a big difference. Like people in America just get paid so much more for certain jobs in comparison to people in the UK.
Like what?
So, you know, like, okay, let's say, for example, in, I don't know, the police, maybe the police force. I know in America gets paid like what, I don't know, about $60,000 or $70,000, whereas the UK police force, their entry is like 20K pounds, you know, which is probably what, $35K dollars. Or like in tech, like you guys in tech, there's
tech is big right
now. Yeah, so.
Do you think that has anything to do with like, okay, so the next thing, so tech was really big for a while, and tech was really pushed, especially by like, you know, the companies and our government and whatever, because tech gets us further in life, right? Maybe like science is one of those like doctoral type of pharmaceutical science, whatever. But now the biggest thing that's like become a thing and has received funding from the government is quantum computing. So we've put a lot of money in recently into figuring out quantum computing because we want to be the lead country in that department. You know, having like being the lead country in some of these areas puts you ahead as a country in general. So I wonder if it has anything to do with that, and like a lot of the money kind of like trickles down from government funding so that we can continue to like build and grow as a country. Yeah, maybe. I was gonna try to do a little scalp here, but I don't think it's gonna like pull me in. Maybe it will, and maybe it won't. Anyways, hey guys, so we have 220 viewers on here. If you're new to our stream, we're also and also just like here, I'll drop a link in the chat. But if you want to engage and help us, you know, be here Monday through Friday, click the link that I just dropped and go like the stream on YouTube. It helps boost us in the algorithm, so that we can keep getting on here Monday through Friday and trading live with you guys. So super stoked, 222 of you. I love that.
Crazy.
We also do giveaways, which only are available if you are tuned in from the YouTube. So you'll want to get on the YouTube, check the description, get into the Discord. That's where we run some of those giveaways. And all of the top promotions are going to be found in the Discord as well. So yeah,
25 on YouTube.
See all of you guys in here.
On YouTube, we only have 25. So what are the other viewers coming from X? People coming in from X and where?
X, yeah.
Oh, nice, cool, nice work.
Oh yeah. Good. I mean, there's what is it? Let's see. 222. Yeah, you can see if you hover over the number, it's like 199 coming in from X, and then E8 markets. Crazy how popular X is. Yeah, Angel was right. Apparently, like, you know, the trading community is on X. I told them when I started, I was like, hey, I want to stream to multiple platforms. And they were like, we just want to focus on YouTube. And I was like, there's a lot to be gained from like the other ones. And you get like full access if you're on YouTube. So, you know, people may not know about us because they don't really get on YouTube or whatever. But X and Instagram, personally, I don't get on X, I get on Instagram. So if I was just sitting there on my Instagram and I saw a little live thing, I'm more inclined to click it. And then if I find out there's benefits to watching on YouTube, then I might be more inclined to watch on YouTube. So
yeah.
Yes.
Fair play.
What up? Nice to see you again. We had him in yesterday. Do you think I'm gonna get this or not? How's your short doing?
Yes, it's doing okay. I mean, I'm just, it's moving the way I want it to move. Just needs to, do its thing. But it's, getting there slowly but surely.
Have you ever done an MRI?
Oh my gosh, are you taking the pee?
No.
What are you trying to say?
Have you ever done an? No, I'm not. I did one last night, and it was
Yes.
an hour long that I sat in there, and they gave me earplugs and headphones, and they said you can't move, and I was like, how long? And they're like 1 hour. By the end of it, my legs had gone numb because I have like back issues, so I was just checking that. They did like a brain scan and a back scan, and my legs went numb, my arms went numb. And I was like, they're like, squeeze this if you need us to stop. And I'm like, don't squeeze it. Don't squeeze it. I'm sitting there the whole time, just like freaking out.
I did one in my very early 20s. And I bet you went in the more modern ones now though, right? That's like open. Or did you go in a closed one?
I've been in both. And I remember which one you're talking about.
Yeah. I went in that enclosed one where your legs are just out, right? So for me, like I 100% will get claustrophobic. And to tell me to sit still, when someone tells me to sit still, I cannot sit still.
It's
obviously.
Really hard.
It's hard. Like I'm imploding, you know.
And I'm like forgetting to breathe and stuff. I was afraid to breathe because they were like, don't move. And I'm like, every time I breathe, my sternum moves. So I'm like not to breathe, and then I'm like panicking more. It was
it's horrible. You know, like if I go to the dentist and I'm just sat there and like in my mouth, like I just hate that because I have to sit still. Yeah, anything that involves me sitting still is just not cool. It's really not cool. So I felt your pain there yesterday. You're just making me anxious just hearing that story.
Yeah.
Anyway.
Oh, we got Angel in the studio. I'm gonna talk.
Baby Angel.
What's up, chat?
Hey, morning. There she is.
Good morning.
Hey,
how's everyone doing?
Man, it looks sunny.
The audience today, guys.
It looks sunny in North Carolina. Is it warm today?
Sir. Yes, sir. The weather is kinda.
Where in North Carolina are you?
Yep, I do sometimes.
Where are you in North Carolina?
Raleigh. Yeah. It's a great place to live. It's a great place to trade also. What's everyone doing? What's up, Ken, baby boy?
Dennis, like my energetic North Carolinian.
Yes, sir. What's up, Dennis? Hey.
Dennis, I love it.
Love it.
Angel, you're quite quiet though. Is that just me?
What?
Is it?
Kind of what? Say what?
Do you think? Have you got a mic? I don't know.
Yeah, hold on a second. What about now?
Is he ever quiet? He's actually yelling.
Yeah, I'm always yelling, pretty much. But that's because that's my English version. When I'm speaking Spanish, I'm like more, relaxed.
Can you talk to us in Spanish real quick?
Hola, sí, ¿cómo están? Buenas, ¿qué tal? So, does the mic sounds better now? What do you think, guys?
Yeah,
Dennis is saying turn it up as well. But yeah, I think you're all good.
That's so funny because
Is it better now?
Because it's like echoey, I'm always like, turn down your mic. But
Buenas muchachos. What do you think about now, Dennis? You like it better?
Yeah, it's good. Can you actually just like speak in Spanish solo? Just like
why?
Because it sounds cool. We need that Spanish. You just gotta like say everything that we're saying, but say it in Spanish.
Es imposible que yo haga eso. But I can speak English for sure. All right, so I took a banger short that I want to share with you guys.
Okay.
Right.
Give me a second. I'll pull you up.
Someone's saying what flavor of Hispanic, Angel?
Oh my God. I don't know. Sometimes I feel like chocolate.
I actually don't know.
Other days I feel like strawberry. All right, so I took this one. I'm going to show you proof to our trade on the EE Pro account. That was actually 4 minutes. I just front run this gap right here. I thought we were just going to take this low out of the open. We tap into this hourly gap. It was just beautiful. Beautiful. 4 minutes. into the session. This trade lasted 4 minutes, guys.
Nice.
Wepa. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So, Angel, can you walk through that trade?
Yeah, absolutely. So
I'm interested.
So, of course, we're absolutely bearish coming into the morning from yesterday. We have this massive sell-off out of the all-time highs. I was looking at a higher time frame. If you look at the 8-hour, we were pretty much seeking for this gap on the 8-hour time frame, right? We were seeking for this gap. So what I have for the rest of the week, if you look at the weekly time frame, I truly believe we're just going to close in a doji, right? Because we will leave a new gap on the weekly time frame. So with that being said, I'm highly convinced that this week on the weekly is going to close as a doji candle so far. So for next week, right? Next week, we can just tap into that weekly gap and continue higher and continue this bull run that we have. But there's always some sort of, pause on the market, or this is, it's a pullback, right? So that pullback is this weekly candle. I was not expecting the price to go back higher to all-time highs for this week. So my bias was short until we get into the 8-hour gap that we have right here. We had an initial touch into that gap in the morning. Sorry about that, guys. If you look at the lower time frame, we barely touched into this gap. And I was thinking, okay, if we're going to go higher out of this gap, we're probably going to sweep first. Sweep the lows, because you always see the price sweeping and then going into the reversal, right? So I was waiting for this to sweep the lows. We have overnight lows right here. This is London, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, that's London. So we were hunting for London lows. So that's the open. The open taps into this hourly gap that we have. It's also a great retracement. If you use a Fibonacci, it's a 50% retracement, right? We tap there. I just waited for the lower time frame to confirm that we were just changing the structure. And when I saw this, we were actually sweeping equal highs from the left. We have this beautiful wick right here that's super suspicious. And then I just front run this M2 to take out that low. Of course, I didn't hold towards the London because I was done with the EA Pro. I can only make 2% a day. So that was pretty much fair for me to be out of the trade. What do you think, guys?
My G. Yeah, clean.
Like
clean,
it?
brother. Really nice stuff. Just rolled off your tongue. No, I like it, bro. I like it a lot. By the way, Abby, look what's happening, by the way, on that NASDAQ. Remember I said I was looking for that? Yeah, basically what Angel said. But I was expecting it to sweep, and then we push the upside now. Can you pull up my screen?
Mm-hmm.
Yep.
I didn't take it. I've been
I saw that too.
Yeah, I was sucked into the gold. I've been sucked into those gold shorts. But this is exactly what I said. Watch that double bottom start forming, and then boom, it's going to go. And now this is where I should have entered there. It's too late now, but that's where I was watching it. And then look, we had that sweep. Look at that wick. And then now we're going clear. Daddy knew, but Daddy didn't take it. But yeah, now we're going to go.
No, or you can take the next leg. We might have a push higher now, so we can actually close the week with a doji candle. So I won't be surprised if we just go higher from here, but we just kept in the middle of that big range. And we will see.
Yeah, we'll see. We'll see. Oh, yeah.
Yes, sir.
And we're doing all right there in the shorts with gold.
Oh, that's a great short. That's a great short, Kenny.
Yeah, man. Nice little sweep of the Asian range high. Started to roll over his lower high as well. In part of this structure, and I'm being conservative. I'm not going to run it for a lower low. I'm just going to come down towards the Asian range low here. So let's watch the price coming into there.
Yeah, that's beautiful. That's solid.
Yeah,
absolutely solid.
Yeah, my man.
Seeing market so damn. So what's up, guys? Manish on the beat. Shabang. What's up, Manish?
Shabang. Shoot.
Yeah, I really met is here. He's a gold expert, one of the greatest traders that we have in the community. I don't really understand how you guys can trade that piece of precious metal, right? to be honest, I mean, it's a hole sometimes. It's telling you it's gonna go somewhere, it just go then to the other side. It's just crazy.
Yeah.
Not for me.
It's a hoe?
Yeah, gold. I'm sorry about my language. I'm sorry. I
Can we describe that live?
Oh my God.
I had to say it.
Bushido
Gold not for
said,
me.
let's see. Somebody said, pretty sure the number on the X is the number watching right now. It's just a cumulative view count. No, it's going up and down. So it's
Going up and down. I
Fluctuating.
was the one managing the numbers, guys. I was
Oh,
behind the scenes, making
You
sure
was.
everything works.
Baby angel.
Yeah, we're here.
Oh, this won't make
Absolutely.
sense anymore.
Happy to help you guys.
No.
Manish on the beat. Why do you think that, Manish? Just bring more people here.
Yeah, sure.
Bang.
Bring more people.
Guys.
All of my apps are dead.
Another one down.
Baby boy Kane knows what I'm talking about. Yes, sir.
Yep.
Guys, if you ever buy the peach Red Bull,
Oh, I never tried that one before.
Yeah, I've tried
You
that
like
one.
it?
It's nice.
Is it
Don't.
good?
no.
Don't.
The,
Oh, you
sugar-
like that one? I like it. I like that one.
the peach one was sugar free.
Yeah, I like that one.
It kind of tastes like a Celsius.
Oh,
of
yeah,
the-
yeah, yeah.
Not for me.
Remember, Kenny's kind of exotic guy, so he probably tried all that different colors of Red Bull. I'm more
Yeah.
into the white one. I like the coconut.
Oh,
Red
the coconut. It tastes
That's
like
good.
the plushies that you'd get from the little ice
Yeah.
cream
that one's
trucks.
perfect.
or Sonic. I don't know if you guys have Sonic in UK, but God,
No.
like
Sonic, like as in Sonic the Hedgehog.
no,
No, it's like
Sonic.
some sort of McDonald's.
Oh,
I don't know if it's a McDonald's. It's like it's a fast food place, but you pull up into a little parking slot and there's like a menu that you can order from that's like a little call box, and then they skate out your food to you.
interesting. They
Interesting.
skate.
Yep.
They literally skate.
Yeah, they literally skate.
Fair
Look it
play.
up. Look it up. Everybody needs to see what Sonic is. If you don't know what a
What,
Sonic
like little
is,
hot pants,
you missed
like Hooters.
out. Sure. Yes and no at the same time.
Okay, a Sonic drive-in. That like this.
You do like an image. Okay, so see like all the way to the top right, how they have those little panels you just drive in.
Oh
And
wow!
then back in the day, they used to have people on their little 4-wheel skates skate out your food to you.
Ah,
It
interesting.
wasn't maybe like they still do it. I can't remember, but I feel like yeah, they still have people skate. I remember I like back in the day like talked to this person and that used to work there, and the first day that they got on the job, they just busted ass with
What does
food
that
and
mean?
everything. Just like legs went and they just fell.
Love that.
Ken, do you have
Everywhere.
IHOP in the UK?
IHOP, no. I do like IHOP though, but we don't have it in the UK.
So IHOP is rank. Waffle House though, I like Waffle House. So I grew up with Waffle House, but I used to live on Cox Road, and there was an IHOP there.
I hope it's great. It's great. I love the Mexican tres leches. It's just great. You have to try that. It's from my
In-N-Out Burger. I like In-N-Out. It's probably my favorite burger place in America.
Well, that's great. I
Interesting.
never
Have you
tried
been to
In-N-Out.
Popeyes?
I never tried that one before. We don't have that here. So
Oh,
sad.
really?
Have you been to Five Guys?
Five Guys, yeah, we have them all over here, everywhere. Yeah, they're
Well,
good.
that's
That's
great.
my
That's
favorite
great.
burger place here.
I mean,
Yeah.
that's the better one here too.
Oh, really? Okay.
Oh yeah.
Is it human meat? Human meat.
What?
It better not. No. Okay. So
Better
dropping another artifact about myself. I used to work at Five Guys, and their food's actually pretty fresh. Like
It's pretty
they
what? Pretty
fresh,
what?
fresh. Like
Oh, fresh.
they prepare their like
But
food.
Did you
Like-
work like on the counter or like doing burgers?
I did it all. I did
Oh
it.
my god, that's solid.
I make a pretty mean burger.
Oh, greasy. I bet your skin was like really greasy. You must have been really like come home after a hard day work, like your hair and your face all greasy. Greasy, greasy.
I definitely took showers. But yeah, I don't know.
Oh.
My man Manish on the beat, he's saying that if you go to India, he's gonna host a dinner for you and a warm Indian welcome.
Oh wow.
I think
Whereabouts
that's
in
for you.
India?
If that's for me, I'm sorry, I'm not available.
Yeah, I love tikka masala, but I don't know if I'm gonna make it to India anytime soon.
Tikka
Why?
masala is very sweet, isn't it? It's a sweet one.
Huh?
Tikka masala. Tikka masala, sweet.
Tikka
It's like a
masala
sweet curry.
is like, yeah, it can be spicy. It's just
Mm.
the orange one with
Mm.
all of the flavors that are in all of the other ones.
Loki, what's your favorite? Nigerian dish? Are you a gusi man or you okra? That
You got me there.
Yeah, no. Yeah, you won't know.
Who are you asking?
Loki, because
Oh, you're asking
Loki, tikka
Loki?
mas-
I'm asking someone in the chat because
Ah.
I know he's Nigerian.
Nigerian dish. Oh my god. That's why
You're gonna
Kenny
ask
is
me?
exotic.
You need to try. You guys
you
should try.
Are you gonna ask me?
Abby, really?
I like the Iwa Agoyan. Have you had that?
You're gonna have to show me. Maybe you're saying it a little bit
It's
off.
like a popular street food that has like, mashed beans topped with like a dark, spicy, savory palm oil based pepper sauce.
Mashed beans. The only thing I'm thinking of is what is it? Frick, forgot the name now.
Okay, I honestly just googled that. I don't know anything about Nigerian food.
No.
But you're
No,
kidding.
moi moi. No, I don't know what you're talking about.
I don't know either.
Oh,
Okay.
you're joking.
Yeah, I googled it.
Oh.
I just wanted to be included in the conversation.
Oh, fair. All right. Anyway, my gold shorts are doing all right, which is good. I'm just going to jinx myself. But moving quite nicely. Are we still talking about food? People come to Philly.
Hungry.
Yeah, it's actually making me hungry, to be fair.
Yibbles.
Dennis, you're in Philly?
No, Denny's in New Jersey.
He said come to Philly and get a cheesesteak. That'll be your favorite food.
Oh, is Deli based in Philly? Dennis, are you based in Philadelphia? I didn't know that. Big Phil's. Big Philly.
Big Philly?
Meal.
What about just any chance that you're planning your trip here? Yeah, I might be in India once I'm starting like taking trips. It's hard because we have a dog right now. We were waiting for him to grow a little bit so we can actually take trips out of the country because we have to take care of him and we don't have anyone to take care of him. And my girlfriend is kind of like freak out to leave him on a daycare because it's her dog. So I get it. But yeah, I would love to be there one day.
You don't have like friends? Could you make friends?
No, I'm sorry.
No.
No, I mean, I'm joking. Of course, I do have friends, but it's not like I don't have like that confidence to tell them like, "Hey, I'm gonna just leave my big ass dog to you for like 2 weeks so you can take care of him." Because I have a big one. If I had like a
he is a big dog.
yeah, he
I
is.
think you could have somebody like pet sit or like babysit your house, like pet sit and house sit.
Well, that's actually a great idea. I just need to find the right person to do it.
Yeah. Look at this choppity chop on NASDAQ.
Dennis said he'll do it. Angel, drop your dog off out of my house. I'll watch the dog. Okay, Dennis. That's great. I appreciate that. That's good from you.
Dennis.
So what do you guys have apart from this banger short from Kenny, baby boy, chick boy here? That's a great short. I mean, just type on the chat if you're on this short because I want to clip this. My God.
Oh my God.
I love this.
Well, sorry. I also took like a banger short earlier.
Oh, seriously?
$150.
She did.
It's fine.
She did? Like on NQ? You were trading NQ?
Yeah, it was like
nice.
within literally the first like 20 minutes of stream. So clip that too.
Okay, sure I will. I would check the whole stream to see if I find something that I like.
You're a funny bugger, man. Funny
yeah, can
bugger.
you remember my first stream?
Oh, bro,
You can barely talk.
Bro,
Oh my
bless
God.
you, man. Honestly, I really felt for you, man. Honestly, like I mentioned it the other day to Joel, and it was just hilarious because Like, I don't know whether you were genuinely having like technical issues or whether you were just shitting yourself.
No,
Like,
you got me chucked,
your face.
man. You got me chucked. You were talking about macros, entire U.S. economy, and I was like, "Oh my god, what am I even doing here?"
Bro,
I just know how to draw lines on the chart. I mean,
Wait, when are you guys talking about? Was I here?
no.
I
This
was
is
like
a while back.
2 years, a year ago, maybe. On
yeah.
my first
Bless
stream,
you.
ever.
Oh
Yeah.
man,
Oh my God.
I felt for you,
Ken
man.
really knows his stuff when it comes to the macros. It's pretty impressive. I remember
Yeah, it's
getting
amazing.
and just being
It's just
like,
beautiful.
oh, like, thing.
Don't come across the type. Do I?
You had to learn
I fit the
ICT. I had
profile,
to.
do I? To know the macroeconomics.
Yeah, I had to reorganize my entire life after that stream. Like, you know,
Yeah, right.
Not only
Honestly,
learning
I
ICT.
love that. I love that moment. Bless you, man. Bless you. Now you're a You've evolved.
Thank you so much. Happy to be here with you guys. It's a blessing.
Oh man.
It's a truly bless.
Are we creating a bull flag?
Let's see what
Well,
you're
that's
looking
a
at.
great
Abs
short.
and screen cap for a little while.
Oh, yes, sure. I'm not doing anything, so.
Oh, okay, fair. Oh, I've stopped sharing. Sorry, I actually didn't mean to do that.
I think that was me.
No,
Or maybe it wasn't. Maybe it was you.
it was me.
What do you think about NQ, guys? I think we're just gonna chop for the rest of the day. I think the movement is already done.
Yeah.
And we have NFP tomorrow. What do you think, Ken, about NFP? You already had a chat about NFP?
Yeah, I had a chat about it. I think the data is going to be generally in line with expectations. So it should be supportive of dollar, in my opinion. For stocks, the thing is, you know what? Stocks are just resilient at the moment. I don't think it's going to take, because if the number's good, right, it could go either two ways. If the number's good, it means that maybe we're going to have higher for longer rates because we need to bring down inflation. So if higher rates, it's not necessarily a good thing for stocks. But then if the labor market's sound and people still getting paid and we've got decent jobs being added, people are still going to be spending money and boosting out these stocks anyway. So it's like, I don't know, I kind of see it potentially as a win-win for stocks either way right now.
I also heard that, tech right now, all these big tech companies are putting more into the stocks than they actually are making. And that's inflating the price, even though the economy's down.
Interesting.
Which obviously, when all of that starts to break on the front end, because right now it's just, the back end is crumbling. And what it's actually going to do is going to be like really bad. Like right now, there's like something about how back in the day there was that whole crisis where everything crashed, and some sort of, I can't even like tell you what it is, but some sort of like percentage was up to like 33, and right now we're sitting at like 34. Do you know what I'm talking about?
No idea.
Okay, cool. Yeah.
No idea. Whatever you've just said, though, I'm gonna look into it. I hadn't heard of that in terms of the stock. So you're saying the stocks, what these companies are what buying
like
up their own
the stock price or something,
right?
And on the back end, it's like crumbling, and they're putting out more money than they're pulling in, and I think it's up to like 34% or something. That there's, I don't know, Ken. This is not my
fine.
To see things online and I read them, and then I just like, I don't remember all the details.
Yeah, I'm gonna have a check into that. I don't know what you sounded a bit south there, southern. You sounded a little bit southern.
I did that on purpose.
Ah, okay, yeah. Thought that was you tripping out. Yeah, okay. Yeah, I'm gonna have a look into that. Let's see.
Do you guys ever have like notes on your like trading stuff?
In what sense? Like notes in terms of
Like
journaling?
reminders, tips, rules?
All your different strategies and rules, yeah.
I used to.
I feel like I haven't
used to.
looked at these ever, but I wrote down so many different things. I'm just like, my desk needs to be cleaned,
Yeah, I get it. Right now, I only have like rocks. I have like different rocks with the energy rocks. I don't know what you call this, but this one gives you awareness. Awareness. I don't know even how to say that.
Alertness.
Yeah, this one needs to be focused.
Wait, I have one that does both.
I don't know what's it. Okay, what is it? Okay, yeah, that's great.
Alertness and
I
focus.
have like 7 different rocks with 7 different powers. I don't know. It was a gift. What else do I have here? I have like a picture with my lady. Yeah,
I
that's
have
all
a
I have
picture
here.
of my actually I took that down. Yeah. My ex.
Okay.
No, for a while after we broke up, it was still there, and I was like, "Oh, wait, I gotta like take this down," because that's what you do when you break up.
Yep.
That crack
Yep.
rock. I think this one. I don't know the names. There's like a guy with all the names for all the rocks that I have. There are a few though. If you look at this one, looks like kryptonite. This one is to never hit my stop loss. You know, but this one disappear all of a sudden. Like one day of the week, this one is just not on the desk. I'm not sure why. Then the next day it just comes back.
That's funny.
Yeah.
My intuition says we can break. Let's see. Is initial balance set? Yeah. So I also trade like the IB, and right now we technically haven't broke either side of that. I'm kind of feeling like if we break the top, we're gonna head up to 554 area at some point today, which is the point of control. It's an 80% setup.
This one, if we break this high.
Let me show my screen.
Sure.
Guys, I'm gonna have to dip. I'm gonna have to dip my my bros in ladies.
All right, bros, you can
All right.
go.
All right, Kenny.
Thank you so much.
Yeah.
No, instead of just ghosting.
Yeah, no, much love.
190 people on here right now. If you guys appreciated Ken's macro knowledge and just existence and that fire accent of his, get on YouTube and drop us a like because we want to be able to do this for you guys as much as possible. I just put the link in the chat. If you want to find Ken's socials also, right down in the description box. Everything about you can find his social security number too.
All right. Cheers, guys. Peace out. Love you.
Bye-bye,
Love
brother.
you. All right. So let me show you what I'm talking about. Okay. I know that there's just like a lot of like white lines and stuff, but initial balance is like the high and the low of the first hour. So I have this top of the initial balance here, bottom here, right? The whole concept of the initial balance is basically 80% of the time we break one side. So I'm looking for this to break, like to just take this level, sweep the highs, retrace, and then I'm going to look for longs into this area. The 554 is yesterday's point of control where all of the volume sat. That could be, a good long-term level. So
yeah, I like it.
I'm hoping at least on stream we can get some sort of movement because this whole chop is icky.
No, I mean, we have a beautiful liquidity sweep out of the London lows. Now we have a V shape and we're trading higher, so it makes a lot of sense to me. Even if we can just actually get to the 50% of the hourly gap because we have some equal highs right below that 50%, and it makes sense. I like it. I actually agree. It's a great idea. If we have like a setup right now, I would just take it. I just need another account to trade.
Bushido is saying, is this the hour that you're talking about?
Yeah, that hourly.
We came and filled half of this.
Consequent encroachment, yeah. Bushido, you're right. You're always spot on, brother.
Done for the day. For sure. Nice.
Yeah, same. Took that short. We're happy with the profits.
Can I flex a little bit? I'm up
Yeah,
1100 on this account, which is a new account. And then these accounts, I took one trade yesterday, 2K, one trade today, another 2K. That's the crypto account. The 4,500 one. I don't understand if it's gonna get wiped off because I made too much, or if it's gonna like close the account or start me over. Do you know? Yeah. Okay. Cool.
No. You're just gonna get any profits above the cap.
But it's not coming off.
Yeah, no, it happens at the end of the week.
Oh, okay, cool. All right, sick. So then, yeah, I made 4,600 there, but as you said, 2,500 of it is going bye-bye. And then this one yesterday, or the previous night, I took an overnight short on the Dow and made 8K by market open. Unfortunately, yes, 6K of that is going bye-bye as well. Maybe I should.
My God. You're dropping some heavy contracts right there.
Yeah.
According to my analysis, the market might sweep further high for its minute sharp lower. I'm waiting for the liquidity grab before looking for a short entry. I don't know, Abraham. It's hard at the moment, but it's not impossible anyways. The thing is, like, we already had an initial reaction out of this hourly gap, so it's hard for me to tell. But if you look at this hourly candle, and then the next one, it doesn't look like super healthy, you know? It doesn't seem like it. At least we will need then a solid close out of this, because this candle can easily print higher, right, and close higher. It's gonna be hard to take more shorts out of this. Not impossible though, but hard to do it. But Abby's printing. You can ask her. I think it's gonna be easier if you ask her.
What? What are we asking?
What to do, because you have the money printer on. You know better. Does the EA have crypto only account? Yeah, we do have EA1 crypto, EA Pro crypto.
No. We have not only crypto accounts. We have crypto, forex, and futures.
No, I think he's asking if there's one account just to trade crypto. I believe. But thanks for pointing that out, Abby.
Yeah, we have all of them, and we also have ones that are specified. So there are accounts that are
for everyone,
for crypto, specifically for forex, and specifically for
you trade crypto, forex, future, rice, oil, ground beef, pizza, whatever you like to trade.
I'm hungry. Ground beef sounds really good.
I think you're just hungry though.
I am hungry. I get up at like 5 this morning. This morning I got up at 4:45 a.m. It's now 8.
Do you usually have a breakfast before the session? No, so you're fasting. You're fasting every morning.
I couldn't call it fasting because I consumed a Red Bull. I broke my fast, but yeah. Let's see.
That's great. What do you think, guys? Let's make a poll. Trading without breakfast or trading with breakfast?
Nah, it would just make me too sluggish, honestly. Okay, so we broke that initial balance. And now if we get a little retracement, I'd be looking to take a long. And where is it? Where is my mouse? I can't find it. Somebody send me a mouse, please. My mouse is in Miami. Okay. I'm liking maybe here as an entry, but I'm not liking 12 contracts. That's crazy. Let's do like 3. Actually, let's do like 2. Confirm. Wow, it's been so long since I haven't had like earrings on. That's wild. No, don't go without me. Tap me in, yeah. How does it seem like? Okay. So we just broke that little high. I might retrace a little deeper. Where could this go? Really nowhere. It's kind of like there. Oh, oh. Yeah, guys, how is your session going? Can you guys vote on that? Will it let you?
I think they can just type on the chat.
No, I think there's
Type
like
one
one
or
that
two.
can actually vote. Oh yeah, 100%. 100% red on the day. Oh yeah.
Oh my god.
You know what's crazy? We've
What?
taken all like good trades. Everybody's profitable. Me, you, Ken, and then everybody's red in the chat. Imagine. Discipline, guys. Self-discipline.
Two. All right, Manish on the beat, doing good. You just need to copy bot Abby at this point. When she's printing, you just need to do it.
Yeah, I mean, I took a small loss, but you know, that part. How many viewers are we at? 297, guys. If you're tuning in from X and you want the full experience, I'm gonna drop the link to the YouTube. You'll be able to engage, talk in the chat, vote on the polls, like the stream, like the stream. If I can get like 100 likes on the stream right now, I would be more than happy to do a giveaway. So if you want to do a giveaway, get on YouTube and like the stream.
That's a fair trade. Free accounts. You give me likes, I give you free accounts.
Yes, share it with your friends and your family.
Is that a W?
100 likes and we'll do a giveaway. Yo, this crazy. All right, chill. Market, chill. Let me get my entry, yeah? Okay, so here's my my little fib usage. So if this is what we're doing, I'd say we kind of probably go like somewhere in this area. And then I'll do like that. Come on, baby. I'm looking for it to reject in this area and come back down so I can get in. If it doesn't and it just smashes through, it's gonna go straight up. So I might just get in.
We just reached Bushido target. We're all the consequent encroachment of the hourly gap. So that was actually a fair long. We're trading out of the 8-hour gap, so we might just continue straight higher.
Yeah. Let me see what ADX is doing. Oh wow, yeah. Longs are heavy in play right now. Dun. Should have been watching that. I mean, NQ is also the move, Bushido. NQ is crushing. We are going. In retrospect, would have loved to be in this. So I don't know if anybody uses ADX, but when white crosses green, it's the perfect time to get into a long, which would have been somewhere in here. And I wasn't paying attention to it. So let's see what it wants to do. Hopefully we can get a little bit of a pullback and then a rejection, and it will come back up. That would be nice. That would be very nice.
Zero sitting on your hands. All right, that's great, Manish. You can sit on the beat. Sepe.
Are you seeing anything right now that you'd be interested in?
If we're going to have longs, I would love to see a retracement into any gap that we formed. We don't have anything so far, not even on the M15, not even on the 5. This is a great. I'll tell you guys about this candle pattern when we have a nice rejection out of higher time frame level. We just can continue. So for now, we're just heading into launch. So we might just create some sort of gap right here on the M5 or the M15. We're just gonna tap into that gap. We might chop for a little bit during launch, then we can continue higher. Because now I like this high right here. I like this high.
Yeah. Also earlier, when we were sitting in the chop, I was saying we were forming a bull flag. We were in this area, and as you guys know, strong buys, consolidation, and up we went. So yeah. And again, we broke the initial balance to the upside. So really, you have an 80% chance that you just trade longs today. Trade above it. Use this as your line in the sand. Here, let me get rid of some of this stuff. This will be your line in the sand. So pretty much, if it's inside of the range between these two white lines, you don't want to be in a trade. You want to be taking trades out of the range. So if this would come back down and retest it, get long, take it up, which is what I'm looking for. But if it comes back down and it starts chopping around in this area, you really just don't want to be in that. But the moment that it gets right here, you can get long. That's an 80% as well. The other option is trading down too. Right now we are kind of overextended, so trading back to this area, and that can be your line in the sand to take profit, which maybe that could be a good idea, actually. Like, we are overextended, so to get into that.
ATH is 400.7. I don't think we're gonna get to all-time highs today, to be honest, but this seems like something solid that I will just look for it. Just based on this price action, only because we're trading out of this. So let me just delete everything I have here. So we're trading out of this 8-hour gap. It looks solid. You look at this, we just rejected the consequent encroachment of that 8-hour gap. This is a beautiful retracement. What is this? Okay, so this is a beautiful retracement. But I don't think we're going to get there today. I mean, come on.
Nah. I do think we can get up to at least the 544 area for point of control.
Yeah, maybe that high too. What high is this? Is this London? Is it London?
I don't
know.
London.
London highs. Seems like a decent target for today. London high. So from here, just waiting for a gap, the price to top in. I like this one on the M5. So this is actually a great area to watch for the next minutes. Just keep in mind, we might create another gap here on the M15 also. But let's see if we can, the next 15 minutes, we just range. We create a dodge and we can have this gap on the M15 time frame for the price to retrace and look up for that London high. All right, what do you think, guys? What don't you bring Bruin or Andrew here? I mean,
I'm the host. Just kidding. Who's Abram? Is that somebody you know? How do they know Andrew and Bruin?
because they're on Twitter though.
Huh? No. How do you know? How do they know Bruin and Andrew?
Because they are on Twitter.
Like, what do you mean they're on Twitter?
Like they always post on Twitter, like stats, how's the trading going?
Oh, do they really?
They always do giveaways.
Yeah, I just thought they worked in the
I
company.
told
I
you
didn't
gotta
know
join X. You have
Oh,
to join. You have to post, engage with the community. Yeah, they're always there on X, Twitter, whatever you want to
I
call
will highly consider it for sure.
it. You should.
Yes. Oh yes.
All right, yeah. So yeah, absolutely, this looks better now. Good close right here. We have an M15 gap now to watch. I like it for a retracement. A little bit of a chop and a PM session long, 100%, 100%. Yeah, they're great. They're the best, 100%. But we need to do that. If we deliver through the London high with no retracement, then the day is pretty much done. It's gone. Like, there's nothing else to do here. This is beautiful. Do we have like an SMT or something? No, it was just a beautiful liquidity sweep. Turtle soup. Right there. We have the soup, we have the turtle.
We have the soup. We have the turtle.
Yeah, that's how like the ICT traders call a liquidity sweep.
Yeah.
Turtle soup. With soup, total, and soup. And we have this new deal in range. We have a solid target to take. We are rejecting out of the higher time frame point of interest. And we have a place to take a beautiful pullback to go out there. What do you think? You guys like this?
That's some great scribbles.
Sopa de tortuga. Yes, sir.
Guys, I don't check my DMs. Don't DM me. You'll never get heard. Like, you can talk to me here, but I don't get on my DMs. I don't use Instagram. I only have Instagram because I'm made to have Instagram. They need me to have Instagram. I do not use it.
Oh, what happened? What happened? Okay, I'm here.
Yeah, let's see what we got going on.
To DM you to claim the giveaway yesterday. Okay.
Oh. Okay. Discord. No, I haven't checked it. Bear with me. I'll check it. Yeah. DM. I was like, I don't use Instagram. DMs are Instagrams. But I guess it's also Discord. Where could we go? Da-da-da-dum. Saran, I'll definitely get you set up. Let me see if I can actually just do that real quick. Where is my Discord? Here's my Discord. All right. So a
Thank you about the field there.
Forex. Angel, I'm gonna drop you an email. If you could kindly give our boy Saran his giveaway.
Absolutely. Saran, are you verified on our EA Markets website?
Yeah.
If you're not verified, my friend, I apologize.
Yeah.
That's a solid requirement to get
create an account on E8 markets, and then you can qualify for the thing. But I think you already did. I think we explained that yesterday. We just yeah, I just got the DM. So yes. But it is getting late in the trading day, so Saran, don't go blow that account. Save it for tomorrow.
Yeah, 100%.
Yeah, we wanna see you win. So it's already like kind of done for the day. IMO. Oh yeah. Very nice. Very nice. Dun, 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 dun. So we got like a little. I'm gonna take a little scalpy scalp.
What are you looking for? You can share your screen. Show us a little bit. What are you looking for in this case?
Give me a second.
I hope I can win a giveaway today, but my duck can't even run. Hopefully this time is your time.
Good thing that they don't have to run. They float. They swim. Mm-mm-mm-mm.
Can we see the comments from X here as well? Or just YouTube comments? Not
No,
quite sure.
they come in. I saw one this morning. If you guys are tuned in from X, drop a comment so Angel can see.
So I only see like the YouTube icon. So
yeah,
sure.
so that's the icon, but it shows X when people comment from X.
Oh, beautiful.
So if you're tuned in from X, drop a comment so Angel can educate. Beep bop bop it in. Oh, good thing I checked. Where are we at?
YouTube gang. Mm-hmm.
Okay, so we got this little inversion fair value gap right here. I'm literally just playing it down to this next imbalance. It could definitely pull back, more. After that is solid move. Any of these areas would be valid too, but I'm going to take the low-hanging fruit because that's what we do. Unless I could let it go. I don't think it'll go back there. Maybe like here. Could let it, and then just move my stop to break even. Do, 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 do. Oh yeah? You want to play me like that?
There's a gap on the M5. I think you're pretty much like front running that gap. So still a little bit more patient. I truly think that we're just gonna reach a little bit lower in that leg. So that's a little range, and we need to go to discount at least.
Wait. I need to see what you're looking at because I don't know what you mean by M5 and gaps and things.
Yeah, absolutely. Absolutely. Okay, so Here's the screen. So can you see this little gap that we have on the M5? We're rejecting out of it. I think this is gonna get inverse, and then we're just gonna create a new gap on the M15, which is what we're doing right now. So that low should be taken, unless ES decides to take that low and we have an SMT. But so far, it's looking good for a retracement out of this M15 discount, right? That the 10-year short should play out. Then we have a discount in here. I'm just going to look for the rotation to go back higher towards London Heights. Not interested in anything else, more than waiting to see if I have everything I need to get into that position right now.
Okay.
What do you think, gang? Oh, okay. So, guys, we're running. I'm not sure if it's still going on. Let me check. We're running a poker game tonight on our Discord. We have 10 winners for the poker game. We're going to host a poker game every single Thursday night, right? You can go away with a free account, with a free 100K, with a free 150K, with a free 50K. I don't know, but we have so many winners. So if you like poker and you're into it, you can just go play poker, get your free account, be the poker master. I will give you a badge saying that you're the poker master so you can flex that out with your friends. And yeah, get your account.
Yeah, so explain that. So you can enroll right now and you can play. How do you do all that?
Yeah.
Like, can you show us on the screen? Because, well, I don't know. Do you want to take this trade, or are you done for the day?
No, I'm just gonna wait until this actually.
Okay.
There's something to trade. There's nothing yet. I don't have the Discord screen at the moment, but if you go through our announcements, we have the poker game announcement. So you can go there and you can join. I think it's late to join already because it has started like an hour ago. But we're gonna do this weekly. So if you're into poker, you can just go there, play poker, win accounts. So you're actually playing for something, right? What's the price for an account? $500. So that's your price. A hard sheet. I owed you a reply on your DM. I will be later on it. I got you. Happy to see you here as well. I just lost on poker.
Where is that? I want to go find that. I did sign up. I like requested to be a part of it. I just don't know, like, is it working?
Yeah, but you have to be there like when it's starting so you can have your seat on the table. If you're not there, then you're gonna be like an NPC and it's just gonna run. You have to be there once the poker game starts.
My tournament, new tournament. No, tournament.
Yep.
No. I just don't get it.
You don't get it?
Club bot.
I think it's just late to join at this point. It's on game announcements.
Well, I already joined earlier. I didn't know how to get into the game. I don't understand.
If you go to the announcement, right? There's the end of the announcement.
Poker now. You're on poker now.
Link.
Once you're on poker now, what do you do?
You just get on your tournaments, the one that you sign up, and you'll see it there. Okay.
I don't get it. Do you have to create a tournament?
I didn't do it. Yeah, you have to. Yeah, let me check actually. I'm just gonna check right now here on the other screen. So multi-table market, request participation, running. So there's one running. I cannot join, but you'll see it there. Overview players. Yeah, it's on the overview. Like if you go to multi-table tournament, you'll see there on the overview. So from there, you'll have a button to start to play. But you gotta be there once the tournament starts. Otherwise, you're an NPC and you're just gonna run without you. If you're not there, then you're missing.
This is real weird.
Yeah, if you're not there, you're gonna miss it. There's a spot when the tournament starts that says go to table. Thank you, brother. Yep, you're right. You're right. You're absolutely right. I got smacked in poker. I was doing well, but got bored because I realized I have 7 accounts. That's too much for me. You're Gucci, bro. That's great. I mean, yeah, if you don't love poker, I think after I don't know 30 minutes, 20 minutes, you can just be bored. Because you have to play and play and play until someone just wins, you know? So I get it.
Hmm.
I absolutely get it. Okay, we have the M15 gap right here.
Okay. Where would you take that out at? Or like what would you
Manish on the beat.
Entry,
What's your
stop
go-to
loss,
pass? You
take
say what?
Entry, stop loss, take profit. Where would you be hitting?
Here on this one?
Mm-hmm. You gonna take the trade or
Well, not yet. I need to see a tap here. Once we tap into this one, I will need to see some like a good draw when something that's gonna tell me that we're just gonna reject out of this gap and then go higher because we also have a gap here. I'm not just gonna enter blindly. I'll rather go to the lower time frame and look for a V shape right here. I'll change in the microstructure, IFVG, CISC, whatever you want to see. You have a confirmation out of the gaps. You can also trade the gap blindly. There are people that do so. I'm not into it, like unless it's like absolutely clear when we are just like if this was like the first hour of the session and we just so close to London highs, I'll just do it. Let's say this is the open and we just do the I just enter blindly out of the gap. But right now we're just heading into launch, so it's not worth it to just trade like that.
Gotcha.
The one I'm waiting. I'm waiting here.
Speaking of heading into lunch, we have come to almost the end of our session, so we should give some account away.
Yep.
Guys, if you want to join the giveaway, go over to the YouTube, like the stream, drop in the link. Oh, that is not the link. Don't just forget that one. Sorry.
Poker now.
I was like creating a tournament. Anyways, ignore. Okay. This link. Go to the YouTube link. Like the stream. And here, sorry, I'm paying attention to this trade real quick. Like the stream. Under the stream, you're gonna see a Discord link. And we're going to have you join our Discord and get into there and we'll run the giveaway.
Yeah, let me know once everyone is there. I will give you like 5 minutes so I can create it.
Nah, we'll give them 2 minutes.
2 minutes?
8:30
Okay.
or 8:34. 8:34. You guys have 2 minutes to get over to the YouTube, like the stream, and then get on that Discord.
To participate, you gotta be on YouTube, guys. I'm watching the viewers. If you're next, you want to participate on the giveaway, please head over to the YouTube live. Comment here.
Golden, we're doing a giveaway. It's the end of stream, so we just want to give an account to one of our lucky viewers. So yeah, just go ahead and get to YouTube. You're gonna be able to like the stream under the video. I need to see at least like 60 likes before we do this. If we don't get 60 likes, I don't know if we should run a giveaway.
Yeah, minimum is 50. We're at 38. We need 12 people. So please, guys, do not hesitate to hit that like button.
It's free to hit the like button, and it's free to win an account. So support the chat so we can keep doing this for you guys. Also, we want to beat our record, so 60 is the number. 60 is the number. And if you're watching this, all of our socials are down in the description of YouTube. My X, my Instagram, same thing for Angel. I have a YouTube too, but I don't really use it. My Discord's in there as well. I'll put announcements.
40. We need 10. We need 10 more, guys. I'm not gonna help. Yesterday, I helped with 1 like to make it to 50. I have to say it.
No, we're going to 60. 60 or no giveaway. 60 likes. We're beating the record because our record is 57.
I like it. We're 300 people here, 340 people, so should be hard.
340. You taking that trade or not?
Nothing yet for my liking. I mean, I have the point of interest for the price to get out of it, but this is not like I don't want to see this. I want to see the price like manipulating lower out of this, and then seeing like a beautiful reaction. Then I just go to a lower time frame to see what I can see here, but not yet. This is still cooking. This one is still cooking too. It's not yet. It's not done yet.
Still cooking.
Yeah, but I don't think it's gonna be that fast, just because of the time of the day right now, current time. I don't think it's just gonna be straight away out. You could take more. You could chop a little bit.
Bum, 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 ba-da-da. I'm really just like
Poker 27. How was your date, Abby and Angel? I took a short. Abby took a short as well in the first time of the first hour of the session, and she's running a short right now on that retracement. Abby's printing, guys. I'm telling you. I'm telling you all. She's on a straight. When you're hot, when you're hot, and when you just click the button and then just in profit whenever you click, she's hot at the moment.
The more you say that, the more it goes against me. So chill out.
I mean, this could still be a winner.
I mean, it will. It will be because it's pulling back a little bit, and it has one place to go. We've already closed below that gap. The next place, obviously, there's room down here, but the next place, low-hanging fruit for it to go is right here. So I don't care what it does until then. It's not invalidated unless it makes a new high. And I don't see it making a new high before it comes down, but it'll definitely play around my little area. This is usually a point of rejection as well. So if it can't
get it.
The high a day view up, So I think now we'll have some thing. And I have too many on. I have too many on because I already made like $1,600 today. How many? Nah. I feel like I've been in this forever.
Yeah, we are. That's beautiful. That's it. Yeah, I like that trade, Abby. It's just a great idea. So I understand what you're doing and why.
I've been in here for 1, 2, 3. Let's see. That was 11:20. I've been in here for 18 minutes. Ay. I do not like holding my trades for a long time. But I'm going to buy now from a 15-minute fair value up.
I'm in buy now from the M15. Okay, so yeah, that's a great idea. But we need a sweep first. I would love to see some sort of aggression and speed out of the gap. Like, you'll see it. You'll see it. When you have a gap.
What does an M stand for?
Like aggression and speed. When we just tap into a gap instead of going blindly, you'll see it. Like you'll see the price manipulating in the same direction of the gap, and then you'll see a change in the microstructure, and you'll see there's going to be a V shape out of the gap. And sometimes it's just obvious. Like it's that obvious. It's telling you in your face that we're gonna take the highs. But until I don't see that, I think this low is gonna get taken with aggression and speed, and then we could have that confirmation to trade higher. But not yet. I'm not getting to the trade. Waiting. If, let's say, because we're already tapping to that gap. So if this reaction creates a new dealing range, then it's different. Because you can take the long out of it. And then you can target the London highs. But it's not ready yet. I don't see anything here. I don't see chop in the price slowly pull retracement and into this pullback right here. So yeah, that's why I'm not clicking that button yet. I'm just waiting. I think buy stop going out 47 will be the move. Could be. I want to see aggression here. So wait or see. A new deal in range with a gap, so we can tap into it, or we see aggression, and then we have that confirmation to trade higher. But that low that Abby is targeting, it makes a lot of sense. It's a lot of sense. So that's a great trade.
Thank you, sir.
Counter trend one. Keep that in mind. So that's why trading is just different for everyone.
Yeah, I mean, there's, like said, there's so many different things you can play. You know, that is. Man, I just do not.
Where's
Somebody said if I lose, I'll be Abby's liquidity.
Probably. Oh, because Abraham is already long. Only 3 more to go. What do you say, guys? That's for 50, Manish, on the beat. We need 60 now, because Abby said the bar kind of high this time.
That's not high. 57 is our like record. So if we can get 57 and not have 350 viewers, we can absolutely get to 60. That is not
I
asking,
agree,
guys.
I agree.
Abby
I
already
agree.
did week 8 grand yesterday. I actually did 8 grand yesterday morning. Like that was an overnight trade. And then I did 4,500 and 2,000. Today I did 2,000 and then my futures account like 1,600. But I think a lot of those balances are getting wiped off at the end of the week because you can only make $2,000 a day. So technically speaking, I only have 2, 4, 6, 8,000 over the past 2 days on my Forex accounts.
No golden moose, brother. We can actually make it to do the giveaway. Let's do it. Guys, just hit that like button. If you're on X, just head over to YouTube and just hit that. You can just go back. We need 10 more. Actually, 12.
Yeah, get in there. Get in there. You know what that you can do so we don't have to double our time on stream?
What?
Go ahead and set up the you know how to do it, right? Okay, go ahead and set up the giveaway. You can make the code 60 for 60 likes on YouTube. Make the code 60 and guys, go into the Discord, get verified, go into your settings, select level 1. Once you are level 1, you will be able to participate in the Discord. All right. And take profit, hit. Oh! I love when a trade like completely smashes through your TP and gives you extra money. Look at this. Hold on, where was I? How did that even happen? I was at 1,600 and I'm at 31 now.
Beautiful short, Abby. I knew it. That's a beautiful short. It was clear. It was a clear low to be targeted.
Yeah,
now from here.
For me, at least.
That's beautiful. That's a beautiful short. It just makes sense. Counter trade. counter trend trade, but beautiful.
Yeah, I'm telling you though, like I like love doing those little reversals. Okay, there's that one. What was the other trade that I took today? I'll delete this. And actually, let me look at that real quick. So ADX is above. Oh, shorts are actually about to be in play according to this ADX.
All right, guys. So we have the entry for the giveaway on the game chat from our Discord server. Okay, so you just need to go there, type enter, then you type the giveaway code, which is 60, and then you're in.
Yep. Get in there. We're not going to run it yet. We're not going to collect names until we hit 60 likes on YouTube.
Is EA Pro for a limited period of time? Yes. I don't know for how long it's going to be available, but yes. So just get your accounts. True. Code is 60. SIXTY. 60. Manish on the beat. Thank you so much. Thank you for letting everyone know about the code. So you guys want to be on the giveaway, just go to our Discord, game chat, enter the giveaway. Easy as water.
So my money was made today on these guys. And I'm going to go ahead and snip these and put them on X.
We have some people on the chat, on the game chat, typing 60. Guys, you got to click on enter giveaway.
Oh, yeah.
It's not just type.
Wait, what did I miss? Somebody said, no, she's adopting me. She's a money printer. Let's see who wins today. Like, adopt me. No, she's adopting me. I'll adopt you both. Bashida, you're good though. You have an understanding of all of this stuff. Steph is she's learning. We're teaching her futures. We are teaching her futures so we can make her some monies. Okay, we're gonna go.
Oof, look at that short, Abby. Abby's printing, guys. I'm telling you all. My God. Please, W's on the chat for Abby. She smashed today's session. Can I get some W's? Some dabs?
Some dubs, yeah. Oh, this is my least favorite time of the day. When I get, where did it go? The Coinbase saying you have a notification. What is it? You're going to tell me that, crypto's down to, okay, it's actually up since yesterday. Oh no.
I'm missing the gaming channel. How? Just go to game room and then just right click and select all channels. You'll see game chat there. I'm gonna mention you as well, so you won't miss it.
All right, fams. 1, I'm gonna change the song. We're gonna put something hyperactive on. Because I'm so hyperactive.
Can we get the house?
I don't know what any of these were. I can't remember at this point, but oh yeah. Okay. Anyways, all right, guys. If you haven't already, you have like 25 seconds. Join the Discord. Get into that giveaway. Click 60, enter, and then we're gonna go ahead and pull names and run that. Angel at 850, pull the names and send them over.
Yep.
How does one do this?
You said at 56? 56?
850, pull the names.
850. So 1 minute. In 1 minute. Where Discord? Oh my God, brother, you're late.
It's too late. Come back tomorrow. Guys, like the stream. Like the stream. We have 9 more likes until we run the giveaway. Get on YouTube, like the stream. Let's go.
Wait for me, Abby. We gave already like 10 minutes, brother.
Yeah, sorry, we did. We gave 10 minutes. You guys can come back tomorrow. We are here every day, Monday through Friday, 2 hours at least. We've been here for 2.5 already, but we're here every morning and we trade the open New York session. So we do the giveaways daily. You have to be a part of the Discord. You have to be on the YouTube. So we appreciate everybody tuning in from X today. But if you really want to be a part of the community, you got to get on YouTube. I was a mouthful. All right, I just want to log in. Oh, great. Fun.
Thank you, Paul. I appreciate that, brother. We're doing this for free. I mean, you don't have to pay to be there, to be here.
Not it.
Beautiful. Are we even inversing that M15 gap? My goodness. So we're rejecting the hourly gap, and we might inverse the M15. Keep that in mind. Keep that in mind. All right, I'm gonna pull out the names.
Yep, run it. Game time, y'all. Game time. Why is this like this? I'm not trying to. No, absolutely not. Good. Dude, I don't know what my password is. Get the
We have 17 entries so far.
Yeah, you guys are really.
Out of 3.
That's because this is not the most appropriate way to do giveaways. It's really not.
17. It's more than yesterday though. This is still kind of like. I mean, we're 360 people here, and we have only 17 entries for the giveaway, which is insane to me. Yeah, many are not verified, so they're not able to actually get in. Guys, you need to verify your Discord account with the EA dashboard. If you don't do that, you cannot get in. I'm just gonna send the names to Abby. Where is she? Abby, where you at?
I mean, I'm here.
Yeah.
I'm all over the place.
There
All right. Let me see what other song we gonna do. I don't even know what any of these songs were. Let's do this one. I got into this little longsy. Ideally, I would have gotten in down here, but I didn't. So I am looking for this to. We had this engulfing candle. I am looking for this to either go here, or if you wanted to ride it to the top. It just depends how it responds to that. All right, how do I do this?
So we have a couple more people that actually just joined, so I'm just gonna add them.
Okay, that's fine. Says I had an incorrect password. See, I don't even know my password to this stupid thing.
Okay, this is starting to look interesting. I'm not yet into the trade, but see if we have a reaction out of the M15 to confirm for me. Get something out of it. Abby's already. Abby's hot, so she's able. She's allowed to take the trades.
Yeah.
Stop taking so far.
I am up on the day, so I can afford a loss if thing. I also have, my thing set up. Passwords. Open passwords. And then it's called x.com. Formerly known as Twitter. That's my password. Okay.
So I'm gonna send you the final list because we have 20 people. Let me just delete the other messages. Oh, okay. So let me delete this one out. Are we doing like a dog race?
I don't know.
Will?
Dude, this website is pathetic.
Which one?
X. Like, why do people use this?
I like it.
Ugh. It's killing me. Don't lose your discount for premium. No, thank you. Weren't you guys gonna verify my Twitter like somebody asked a month ago? I think Andrew or somebody. It's not done. Okay.
What's the code? So, guys. Shall I allow more people to get in on the giveaway, Abby? Or we just close the list?
List is closed. All
right.
Drop some likes under the stream if you want us to run another one tomorrow. We'll only run
4 more.
Only run a giveaway tomorrow if we get at least 60 likes on the video. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna start basing the giveaways for the next day on the likes for the previous day.
5 more.
Yeah, we gonna do that. Really though, guys, my job credibility relies on you liking the video. Okay.
That's fair. I'm gonna make it 60 all accounts tonight. No. Organic people only. How many more? We need 2 more likes.
Did you send me the list? I'm ready to run it.
It's already on your DM.
My DM? Where my DM?
Yeah, on Discord. If you look at Discord.
Discord? Oh, I mean.
You need I can send you through
Telegram or WhatsApp. We have so many chats, Angel.
I know, right?
I don't even know where my Discord is. Too many screens.
Hold on a second. I'm gonna send you through. We'll send you an email. You like emails?
Oh no! I'm gonna go on Discord.
I'll check Telegram. You can check.
Okay, we got them. We're kosher. All right. Now's your time, guys. If you couldn't make this giveaway, there's like 300 of you guys watching right now. If you couldn't make this giveaway, get into our Discord, verify yourself, and add yourself to a level 1 in your settings so that tomorrow you can come back and be a part of the giveaways. Okay, so we're going to...
One more like, by the way. One more like.
Also, I need to watch my trade right quick. However it responds...
Keep getting reject. 60. No, 59. All right, Manish, I'll get with you later on Discord, and you're just going to send me your email. I'll check what I can do for you to help you with that. All right, so don't worry. You can actually participate tomorrow if we get to 60 likes. So just make sure that you're on the beat. I love the trade, Abby. Is playing out beautiful. This is what I was waiting.
I need to see a closure above this line in order to hold my trade longer. If I get a proper closure, then I'll probably be in this trade another 10 to 15 minutes. If you're looking for a trade to take, not a signal, but a signal, if we get the closure above this, then, a proper trade would be here. Oh, hold on. There is way too much going on.
Yeah, we have 61 likes, so we're already made it. I'm going to take a trade there in a bit.
You are?
I'm going to, yeah. Gonna put some risk on it. No.
This would be the proper setup. So you can give yourself enough room down here. You don't want to go heavy on that trade because it's maybe like a B trade.
Yeah,
let's see.
I don't like the time of the day that we are right now.
We're also
To be
doing
honest,
rejection.
I'll need to see a closure out of the M4 gap, and then we go in.
All right, I'm out of my trade because I'm getting like some rejecty energy. Yeah, I'm closing it. All right, cool. That was an additional like $200. I'm chilling. I'm done for the day. I made 3,300. What? I just found a tag on my pants. Has that been there? Okay, let's run a duck race. Let's run a duck race. Actually, let's run a duck race. I think a duck race is where it's at, right, guys? We like ducks. Ducks, 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 ducks.
Let's move on with the duck race. Yep, you are. So we have 20 entries, guys, out of 360 people. But we have the likes to run a giveaway tomorrow, Friday vibes. So let's do it.
Oh, yeah. Hold on. We got way too much going on here. So we're going to close this. Close that. Close trade debate. Believe it or not, computer's still freezing. Crazy. Let's do 45 seconds. All right. Let's see it. Here we go. Let's see some bets. Let's see some bets in the chat. Who's gonna win this? I'm not gonna jinx it, but it's not gonna be FX. If you're in the front, you're not winning. Woo! Let's go, Philip. I've seen that name before. That's one of our regulars.
He joined last minute. Hey, he joined last minute.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Well, that's good. At least you got something out of it. All right. Philip, this is how you collect your account. You're gonna DM me, right? Okay, yeah. You're gonna DM me on Discord. Your username has to match this, Philip Jacob 6831, and create an account on E8 Markets, and then send over that email, and we'll get your account to you. Please let me know whether you trade Forex or future or crypto. All right, guys, it's been real. So appreciate you guys for tuning in. 366 viewers. Love that. If we could get some additional likes on the YouTube stream, that would be Stella. But come back tomorrow. We'll be here starting market open. And if you're looking for any of our socials, Angels, everything is down below in the description of YouTube. Everything of mine is down below, description of YouTube. Good luck on the day. We're done for the day trading, so I'd advise that everybody else be done for the day trading too. All right.
I might take it along there. I'm just gonna leave everyone with this setup.
I mean, that's actually a great break. So do it. Here, I'm gonna show your screen, but
okay.
Cool,
so
guys.
At this close, can you see the screen already? Yep. So at this close, I like it for London lows. The only issue is that we're heading into lunch, but I'll be watching this. And I'm going to target London highs. I'll be watching it. All right. I'll still need to see a solid close out of this. I'm not gonna front run just because it's lunch, and we might just chop heel a little bit. But if we have a solid close and we have like a new deal in range, this is already what I was waiting out of this M15, so we can target London highs. Let's see. And I hope everyone have a beautiful day. Stay safe out there. Trade safely. Thanks for joining. Catch you all tomorrow. Bye bye.
We'll see you guys tomorrow.
Bye, Abby. Take care. Bye bye.